Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jason coming at you one more again. As you know, I bent my old chassis up, got my new chassis in. I'd like to thank Dollar Hobbies for sending me this chassis. No, I'm not sponsored by Dollar Hobbies, and I paid for this chassis, but they had it on sale, so I bought it. So let's bring it up. Here's my new chassis. I got an idea. I ordered some stickers for this chassis, so I might sticker this chassis up. But yeah, this is my chassis. Look. Let's see how bent my old chassis is compared to alright, bring the camera down. Sorry for the rattling. But as Carson Warnermouth said, you know, over time your chassis gets tweaked. Look at that. That's how tweaked my chassis was. Like I said, I got this flat. Yeah. Look how bent up that is. A new chassis on the bottom, old chassis up top. Yeah, that tweaked. But yeah, over time your chassis gets tweaked. I never thought it happened to me. I'm not a professional. Them guys race hard and run their cars every day. And Carson Warnermouth said, yeah, they get a new chassis. And I think I need a new one. As you can see, the top one was bowed up. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is put stickers on my chassis here. And I got this 20-year-old or 20 plus years old. I think I got this in '95. Team Associated chassis protector. I kind of wonder if they still make it. They might not. Not sure. But instead of having it sitting around, I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Y'all notice I bent my chassis. Put stickers on it, and then put this over it. This is clear, so the stickers hopefully will shine through. Might be a little cloudy after all these years, but first thing I'm gonna do is clean my chassis with alcohol. Some paper towel, cleaning the whole chassis. And this is a freshy chassis, brand new. And some of the screws on the B6 you never unscrew, so cover with a sticker. Here we go. My stickers I got selected out: Santa Cruz hand and Spitfire sticker. I'm an old skateboarder from the 90s, 80s, and 90s, so of course I'm gonna use these. And I gotta place them. Okay, guys, got one stuck on there in between the rear screws, but like I said, some of these screws you don't really unscrew once you got your car built. Now time to put down the Spitfire sticker. There's underneath my chassis so far. I think I might add some more. So here we go. Alright, got my stickers selected. Santa Cruz, Spitfire, and I got Adidas. No, I'm not sponsored by Adidas, but if anybody's out there that could help me out, I would love to get sponsored by Adidas. So here we go. I'm taking my old chassis, tracing around it, and then cutting it out. Let's see, I want to probably start this here. So Like I said, Associated made this back in the day. And like I said, I don't know if they still do. Don't even know what part number this would be. Like I got this when I was running the B2. And I use this on the B2. Kind of want to try just do straight instead of the whole outline of the chassis. But we'll go from there. Cut this out. That's what it looks like after I lift up the chassis. So I gotta cut it out. What's up, guys? I went ahead and cut this in two pieces. Transmission piece, so I can pull this up, change my transmission, do any work on my transmission. And this is the main piece that's just gonna stick to the chassis. So here we go. Alright, I got the stuff applied. So like a kid with a crayon, just kind of mash it down, make sure it's stuck all over the chassis, over the sticker. Like I said, like a kid with a crayon. Make sure that air bubbles are kind of pushed out. Like I said, this is 20 years old, this chassis stuff, or 20 plus. And once I actually got this with when I switched from the Pro SE to the Kenwall Edition RC10, I want to say I got it then. Right there. Well, kind of mashed down pretty firm to get the protector stuck. Now I'm gonna put that on the back here. Like I said, I cut it so I can get to the transmission screws. Okay, here's the film or chassis protector applied. Like I said, I cut that a little bit so I can rip this off to get to my transmission. But yeah. Time to go to the track. Hey, what up, guys? It's your boy Jason. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, hit notification button, so when I come out with something, you'll be the first one to watch. And thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I try to upload regular. Y'all guys take it easy, enjoy racing, see you at the track.